Hi friends, welcome to the Forgotten Lore. How are you? I believe all of you are fine. I am also fine. Everything is fine. All is well. Come on friends, today let us enter inside our channel The Forgotten Lore. Dear friends, today in our Forgotten Lore, we are going to discuss about a few breathing exercises. In today's video, we are going to practice 7 steps of breathing exercise including pranayama, which have been practiced by our elders to enhance the oxygen in optimum level and to increase the function of lungs and to keep our body fit. Now let us start the exercises. To begin with these exercises, we have to keep our fingers in Chin Mudra. So, I will show now how to keep the Chin Mudra in our both the palms. In both the hands, fold and touch the tips of index finger and thumb, and stretch the remaining 3 fingers. That means open the remaining 3 fingers and keep both the hands on the knees. In the first step, we have to inhale through both of our nostrils and exhale through both of the nostrils. The inhalation and exhalation process should be slow, and we have to practice it for 3 times. In the second step, take deep breath. That means inhale deeply through both the nostrils, hold for a while and exhale it multiple times by using both the nostrils. So the inhalation process is slow and exhalation is a little bit forceful. We are using both the nostrils and we have to exhale multiple times. You exhale as many times whichever is possible to you. Like this we have to practice 3 times. We have to close both of our eyes and we have to concentrate on our breathing process, and here also we have to keep the hands in Chin Mudra position only. Now the steps are shown clearly. In the third step, take deep breath again. That means inhale deeply through both the nostrils, and half of the inhaled air we have to expel suddenly and hold the rest of the air in between your throat and your diaphragm so that the lungs will get expanded. And after holding for few minutes, you release the air very slowly. So repeat this also 3 times. So take deep breath, exhale half and hold it. After holding and exhale it. It is shown clearly in the video. We have to practice this 3 times. The fourth step is pranayama or pranayama. In this breathing exercise, we will inhale and exhale through single alternate nostrils. To hold and open the alternate nostrils, we will use our right hand, thumb and ring fingers. First, inhale through the left nostril. Inhale slowly and hold the breath for a while and exhale through the right nostril again slowly, and through the same right nostril again inhale, then hold the breath for a while and then exhale through left nostril. So like this we can practice from 3 to 10 times. Some people used to practice for many times. So since we are beginners, we can start with 3 to 10 times. In this, the breathing process should be in 1:4:2 ratio. That means if we are inhaling for 5 seconds, we have to hold the breathe for 20 seconds and we have to exhale for slowly, we have to exhale for 10 seconds. So this is the normal ratio. If we are inhaling for 10 seconds, then we have to hold our breathe for 40 seconds and then we have to exhale for 20 seconds. So it is like that. Since we are beginners, we'll start with 5 seconds, and then while practicing we can increase our inhalation, holding and exhalation process slowly. Here the breathing process should be very very slow. In this pranayama, the breathing process is through our alternate nostrils. In the next step, we will inhale, that is, we will take a deep breath through both of our nostrils, and we will not exhale through the nostrils. Instead, we will make a sound like a beetle. So, how it is, the sound is made in this video, like that the sound is made and it is exhaled. In this breathing exercise, we will not hold our hands in Sin Mudra. Instead, we will keep on our sinus chambers. To practice this exercise, we have to close both of our ears by using our thumb finger. Nicely, we have to close it, and then we have to place our small finger on both the sides of our nose. There, on both the sides of our nose, there is a sinus chamber. So, on that, we have to press a little, and then ring finger and the middle finger we have to place it on the corner of our eyes. So there also sinus chamber is present, and then the remaining index finger we have to keep on our forehead, where again the chambers are present. So both of the hands we have to keep like that and gently press the sinus chambers while practicing. In the next step, we will take a deep breath, that is the inhalation, deep inhalation through both of the nostrils, and then we will hold for a while and we will exhale through making the sound like that. So the process should be very slow. So here while exhaling, the sound of the O, it should be 1/3. That means the length of the sound O, it should be 1/3, and the length of the sound should be 2/3. So that through this Om sound we will exhale. In the next step, Take deep inhalation through both of our nostrils. Hold for a while and exhale it through the mouth by force. 4 full exhalation is needed now through our mouth. By doing so, we can feel that our nose and throat are becoming clear. After completing these 7 steps, slowly open your eyes and be fresh. So friends, whenever you get time, kindly try to practice these 7 steps to keep our lungs healthy and to enhance the absorption and utilization of oxygen from the natural air. So friends, thank you for watching the video patiently. Whenever you get time, kindly watch all my videos and give me your precious comments and feedback in the comment section so that I can improve my channel and my way of presentation. Kindly support me and encourage me by supporting and subscribing my channel. So friends, meet you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. See you. Bye bye. Best wishes.